Hey Lucas, it's Bernie from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking my call the other day. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 steps that you can take to beat out your competition, improve your online website traffic, and bring in more customers online. Now, Lucas, you may be asking, why am I doing this video? Well, in our research, we found that a lot of small businesses like yourself are too busy taking care of your customers, that you guys don't have time to learn how the internet works. We feel that the only thing that's stopping you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So what we do is we put together these attack plans. We give them out for free, basically. Lucas, some people call us back, some people don't. This information is just to educate you and to show you how you can improve your website presence. If you like what you see, feel free to reach out to us. If not, no harm, no foul. Okay, the 3 things we're going to talk about, one is going to be content. The second is going to be backlinks, and the third is going to be citations. Now, a content is anything included on your website. Now, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage, depending on the keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google to look for a particular service or product. So, for example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, you want to have stuff in there like plumber, Oceanside. Plumbing keywords like leaks, floods. That tells Google exactly what you want to be found for, and then it translates that into the end user. So if I take a look at your website, I like the layout. I like your logo is amazing. It's great. The color scheme is good. You guys offer financing. You have a capture page for contact information, which is great. Some pictures tells about your services. But again, like I said, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the website in terms of ranking. And with putting that number of words on your website, you're going to be able to incorporate some of the key roofing phrases that you should be able to rank for in terms of online presence in Google. So, for example, roof leak, leaky roofs, free roof estimates, stuff like that. Metal roofs, if you guys do that. So I put your website into a word counter, and right now you have about 485 words of content on your website. If I take a look at your closest competitor, here we see Middle Creek Roofing. We go down their page, decent layout. I put their page into a word counter. They have about 630 words on their website, and the third competitor is these guys here, RKI, Montgomery. They have some pictures, some content. Let's see, reviews. Okay, their words in the word counter. They have about 519 words. So we can easily go in, optimize your website, and beat these guys out. And what we can do is just based on that information. So, for example, if I put in roof repair, Montgomery County, and I see, if I go scroll down here, obviously CNC is the #1 guys here, but organically ranking, we have both those companies ranking organically. So we can put you in this top position here by just adding more content on your website, relevant content. We can definitely outbeat these guys, rank these guys up here, and get you up into the #1, #2 spot organically on Google. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to talk about what we call backlinks. And basically, a backlink is anywhere you find a website linking from their site back to your site via clickable hyperlink. It acts like an endorsement to your website, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing other businesses vouch for your business. The internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks is going to win. But keep in mind, not every backlink is created equal. So, for example, if you're linking to Domino's Pizza or Pizza Hut, it's not going to be relevant to your business. You want to be linking to businesses like HVAC companies. You want to be linking to plumbers. You want to be linking, if you have a friend that's a contractor and he has a website, you want to have a link on his website linking back to your website. It literally acts as an endorsement. So I use a paid tool called Ahrefs to check backlinks. And so I put your site into a backlink counter. Here's your site here. Right now you have only one backlink. You're organically searching keywords on your site about 11, and you're organically generating 22 clicks, unique clicks to your website every single month. Okay, now if we look at your competitor, we see here that they have 442 backlinks. There's organic keywords that they have on their website in there somewhere on some of the other pages, 343. Organic traffic is 243 unique clicks per month. And then we look at your third competitor here, backlinks is 281 backlinks. Keywords they are ranking for 1,100, and organic traffic is 657. So if we can get other companies linking back to you, optimize your keywords on your website, I think we can outrank these guys. And basically what I would just go out and do is like, what's good for them is good for you, right? So you have this one backlink, one referring domain. I would just go in, I would click on referring domains. I would see what their referring domains were, Yellow Pages, Superbooks, all these links, and I would just put them right on my site. You can just literally go through here, copy this, find out where the link is coming from, and put that on your site. So just copying what they do, and then once we do that, we can go out and get about 10 to 15 to 20 more links. So that way we stay ahead of these guys. The next thing I'm going to talk about is a citation. Now, a citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address shows up in a directory exactly as per my Google My Business profile. Okay, a citation helps rank you in Google in the Google Map Pack. So let me just go to the Google Map Pack really quickly so we know we put in roofing repair, Montgomery County. We have the Google My Business Map Pack is right here, and which is extremely important for small businesses, since this is a large amount of revenue that can be generated from here. I believe that 30 to 40% of the people that come here click on this, and we're going to get about 70% of our clicks from this organic search here. Okay. A citation is just anywhere that your name, address, and phone number is in a directory. Some directories we can use are Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise. Social media accounts are great. The idea is to brand your business everywhere. It can be found all over the internet so that Google can find you. And the more they see you out there, the more they're going to trust you in terms of their back linking algorithm. So for example, if this company right here has 20 citations or 20 directories they're in, we want to go in to get in 40 directories. If they're in 50 directories, we want to go and get into 60 directories. If these guys are in 70, we're going to go and get into 100 to 200 directories. That's how we're going to outrank these guys. This is a total based on an algorithm. It has nothing to do with your reviews or your status, because you can see this guy has 33, but if I click over here and scroll down, this guy right here has 349 reviews. So it has really nothing to do with it. It's all based on how many directories you're in. And actually, also another key factor is optimizing your photos. You want to be putting up about 2 to 3 photos at least a week, every week, just to get stay relevant on your website and on your Google My Business page. Okay, so in capturing, we talked about obviously outranking these guys, getting more content, relevant content on your website, which is very important. We talked about backlinking. We talked about getting links that are relevant to your business from other companies to link back to your company. And then we talked about citations. Being in more directories than our competitors is going to help us rank organically on the map pack in the top 3. So I want to say thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this was helpful. You can do one of 2 things right now. You can implement these plans on your own. Some people do that. Or you can say, hey, Bernie, you know what? I just want to chat a little bit more. Feel free to reach out to me. My number's at the bottom. I'm always here to help. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.